Hi everyone, it's Ken of Ramirez again with another geology-based video. This week I'm going to be talking about a specific mineral. I chose to speak about vermiculite this week because as a farmer I am familiar with vermiculite, so I figured I would learn a little bit more about it and share my knowledge about it as well. So vermiculite is from Latin vermiculare, which is to breed worms. It's a hydrous phyllosilicate mineral, which means that it contains water, or its constituent elements contain water. And then a phyllosilicate, it's of silicate groups, and it's formed by the weathering or hydrothermal alteration of biotite or phlogopite. I don't know a lot about either of those. But I know that biotite is also a phyllosilicate mineral, and that phlogopite is it's also known as magnesium mica, or something close to that. I have a picture of vermiculite here, a large chunk of the mineral. It's primarily found in there are commercial mining plants in the U.S., South Africa, Brazil, and then I think Russia and China also have larger plants, but it's primarily found in these countries, so Australia, Bulgaria, Kenya, Uganda, Zimbabwe, etc. And vermiculite it's done through open cast mining, in that the ore is separated from the other minerals, and then it's grinded or whatever, and then it's screened and classified into different particle sizes. As you can see in this diagram, it kind of breaks up the different sizes, which are used for different things. And it's used for like molded shapes, which could be used for pipes, refractory insulation, fireproofing as well. And it's also used as a soil conditioner, which is what I know more about, in seed germination. And for soilless, it's a soilless growing medium, so if you lack soil and you can get if you don't have good soil around your home, you can use vermiculite. And then you can also put vermiculite on top of seeds and other things to trap moisture and get those seeds to germinate better, or pop up, if you will. So it really just conditions growing methods. And it's also used in brake linings, and it's also used in like roof and floor screeds. So it's got a lot of different uses. So thank you, and that is my presentation on vermiculite for this week.